Hi everyone, it's Shannon and welcome to today's video. So today's video I'm really excited to do because I am reviewing a brand new beauty subscription box. Well, I guess it's not brand new, but it's brand new to me. And it is called Kinder Beauty. And it is Kinder Beauty subscription box. And they were kind enough to send me the first, I guess it's the Faves. And I am going to show you what I got in my first box. Now, before we get started, I do want to disclose that Kinder Beauty did sponsor today's video and they did send me my first box complimentary. So thank you very much. But I was very excited. So I don't do a lot of sponsored videos. And the reason is I actually have gotten some offers, but I don't need to do sponsored videos. YouTube is a part-time thing. It is a hobby. It is something I enjoy, but I don't need to do sponsored videos. But they contacted me and I did some research on the subscription box and there was a couple of things that really stuck out to me. So one, they have a community on Facebook that is run by them. They have some admins and it is very positive. Like it is, people are happy with their subscription. There's people, you know, sometimes they're exchanging items. Maybe they're not going to use an item and people are looking for another item. So, but it was very positive. The reviews were very good. I did some, you know, research on Reddit, which if you want to find the truth on anything, go to Reddit. And the reviews on Reddit were very good as well. People that have subscribed to Kinder Beauty are very happy with the subscription box. So I was very eager to try it out and then also do a sponsored video. So thank you very much for sponsoring this video. And so this is the first box and this is, I think, called the Kinder Faves box. So this is what every member gets for their first box. So whenever you sign up, you don't get the box for that month, you get the Faves box, and then you get on the subscription box for the rest of the, if you know, when you continue. So if you do a monthly subscription or 3 month or 6 months, we'll get into that in a little bit. But this is the first box that you receive. So that is what they sent me. I'm gonna go through all the products. They're actually really good and show you what I got. And so also a little bit about Kinder Beauty. It is a clean, vegan, and let's see, cruelty-free beauty subscription box. So I think that is something you know, unique as well. While I am not exclusive to clean or vegan or cruelty-free makeup, I do try and use that. I try and use more natural products. So this is something I was very eager to try out. Now the first thing in the box is this little Kinder Beauty, welcome to Kinder Beauty box, and it has a little letter from the founders. Now it is founded by two women. It says, we started Kinder Beauty with the goal of mainstreaming ethical beauty. We are inspired by the enormous variety of top-notch, clean, vegan, cruelty-free beauty and self-care items, and we want to create a hub where we can deliver the best products from the best companies that are best for your body. And there's some other stuff too. So I think that's really great. And again, I think it has been around for a while. And again, what I really like is that people that are subscribing are really happy with it. So one of the things it says is what to expect. So you'll see right here what to expect. And it says Kinder Faves. So here, that's what you're at. This is your very first box and it's packed with our all-time favorites. And then monthly reveals. It says each month we will reveal 2 boxes. If you are a 6-month member, you can choose which box you get. So if you know, just like kind of what I've talked with other subscription boxes, the longer you subscribe, the better perks you have. And that's basically, so they reveal 2 boxes, like this is one curated, this is the other one, and you get to choose if you are a 6-month subscriber. And the other options is you can be a monthly subscriber or you can subscribe for 3 months. The subscription renewals are our plans auto renew every month on the 8th. The 3 and 6 month memberships are built again at the end of your term. So again, they do monthly and then 3 and 6 month. There are no annual subscriptions. It's just 1 month, monthly, or 3 and 6 months. And then out for delivery, monthly boxes ship in the middle of every month. Around the 15th, check your inbox for more tracking information. Now, talking about this, I do want to say that like everything and everyone is going on right now, is just that there are supply chain issues. So with every subscription box, pretty much with anything right now, is you're going to have supply chain issues, and Kinder Beauty box I don't think is an exception. I know they are keeping, the one thing I will say that is keeping them kind of separate, I have seen in the Facebook group I did join, and they are keeping their members aware of what is going on. So if there was a certain item that was missing, that they were waiting on, that certain boxes were delayed. But again, they were keeping their members aware of what was going on because there were some delays, some supply chain issues, just aware. But I think that they are kind of wrapping that up as far as the April boxes. So hopefully that's going to be not an issue for much longer. But you know, I think everybody is going with, you know, having that issue right now. Get rewarded. Earn rewards with the Kinder Club. Sign into your Kinder Beauty account and go to Kinder Beauty/rewards to see how many points you have already have, and learn how to earn points faster. So I actually have to learn about that. I don't really know. And then there's also a marketplace where you can shop for more items. So these are the five items that I received. So I'm going to go over them first. So first I'm going to go over the simplest item, and this is, it's just a scrunchie. It is a black scrunchie, but it is a silk scrunchie. So it is from Moonlight Skincare, and it is a bamboo silk scrunchie, and it values of $10. And I will say I have satin scrunchies that I use for my hair. This one feels so much better. So I have talked about this in other videos. I do have a broken wrist right now, so I'm kind of limited as far as what I can do, but this is really soft. I like it. This is something I love putting my hair back at night. I don't feel like this is going to ruin my hair, and I wish you could kind of feel how soft this is and how different this feels, but you can definitely feel the difference between silk and satin. So I do have satin scrunchies that I have used in the past. I've never had a silk scrunchie. This is so much better. Next up is an item that I've used before, but never from this brand, and it is the 100% Pure Bright Eyes Mask. Now this one runs $7, and it says treat your eyes to some extra love with 100% pure hydrated caffeine eye mask made with hydrogel composed of 95% aloe water and 5% plant cellulose. This eye mask is made to adhere to your face until your skin drinks up all the moisture. Use this for a quick depuffing treatment or for a longer hydrating eye mask for a big event. So I do these all the time, and I've never had one from this brand. However, I've also never had one that said it is mostly caffeine, and I have used caffeine under my eyes. I do tend to be very puffy in the morning. I am filming this, it is 10:30 at night, so not so puffy now. I've been up all day long, but you know, I do this, and especially if you've ever seen me, I've done a couple family shoots, and I've had my makeup done, and what I will usually do, and I usually do this even when I'm filming, if I'm puffy, I will do my eye makeup first, and I will put these on while I'm doing my eye makeup. I always do my eye makeup first just because I tend to have fallout even if there's just no fallout. So I will always put these underneath and then let it absorb. And so if you are puffy, this is great. So I'm really eager to try these out. I didn't want to use them today because I wanted to save them for when I'm really puffy. I really wasn't puffy right now, but I'm very excited to try these because they look like they're gonna be really good. Okay, so the next item I received is this Hawaiian Beauty Water, and it runs $18 and is from Hanoi Skincare. And it says tone, tighten, and chill all at the same time. Ingredients like aloe and witch hazel work to fight blemishes and inflammation. So what I understand is that if you have dry skin, you can use this maybe 2 or 3 times a week. And if you have oily skin, you can use it a little bit more. Now it does have a spray, but you're not supposed to spray it directly on your skin. You're supposed to spray it on a, like a cotton swab, and then apply it on your skin. Some have a pump. I did receive one with a spray. So I did use this earlier today. I have makeup on, so I'm not gonna be using it right now. So I did use this earlier today. And I wanna say the smell is amazing. So it smells it just smells really refreshing. And when I put it on my skin, it didn't burn, it didn't tingle. It just made my face feel really, really nice. Now I have, I would say normal skin. I don't have dry skin. I don't have oily skin. So I would probably use this maybe every other day. But I thought it was great. Definitely, it's definitely a nice toner. It runs $18. So it's not something that's very expensive if you wanted to repurchase, but it's definitely something I've never even heard of this brand. So it's definitely something that is interesting to me. Okay, so for the fourth item, I received this Dirty Lamb Ultra Night Serum. It's worth $52, and it says, soothe and calm your senses with lavender, yang yang, and orange oils. This luxurious serum contains a concentrated blend of antioxidants and fatty acid oils that will hydrate and nourish your skin while you sleep. So this is a night serum, and it is an oil. I'm gonna try and open it again, broken wrist. And I did apply this a little earlier today, and was very excited. Now it is an oil, but you really need very, very little. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my neck, and I won't say it leaves your face oily. It just leaves it, but the smell is amazing. If you've ever used essential oil to help you relax, if you ever had a massage with aromatherapy, this stuff is incredible, because I can see where it's going to serve dual purposes. It's going to be amazing to your skin and nourish your skin, but it's also going to soothe you and help you sleep. I wish I had, scent vision. It is amazing. Like, it is something where I have used scent sprays to help me sleep at night. Mid-40s, sleep is an issue, and this I don't even think I need it, because if I place this on my face, it's going to be amazing. So very excited. Now I've placed it on my neck at this point, so I won't say it has not left my neck oily, but I can definitely feel it. So it is absorbed into my skin pretty well, but it has left, I guess I won't say like an oily residue, but you can definitely feel it still on my skin. But I wouldn't have a problem. This is also a night serum, so it's not something you're going to put makeup over. But I could definitely feel like using this instead of a nighttime moisturizer. So really excited to use this, and I feel like this is going to last a really long time. Okay, and so the last product for the favorites box is from Earth Arbor. Now, Earth Arbor, I have used their brand before. I have received it, and I absolutely loved it. I've actually had a couple of their products in the past, and I've absolutely loved them. So this is called the Mermaid Milk. It runs $42, and it says, a long-time Kinder Beauty favorite. This nourishing moisturizer is packed with spirulina, matcha, hyaluronic acid, and concentrated phytonutrients and antioxidants that work together to lock in moisture, reduce redness, and boost radiance. Bonus, Earth Arbor is the first beauty brand to achieve climate neutral, plastic negative, and 1% for the planet. Actually, I didn't know that. So I have used their products before, but I did not know that. Now, this one, it has a very, very, very light scent. So I would almost say that this is unscented. But it's very, very light. So, but you can see this stuff is, I should probably use my other hand. This stuff is pretty thick. I like that it's called Mermaid, because, you have the green, but I'm gonna kind of put a little bit on my finger here, and I'm gonna place it on my neck. And it is really, I use this again. This I used under my makeup today. This stuff really absorbed really well, and I was able to put my makeup over it with no problem. So I haven't had an issue. I felt like it absorbed really well in my skin. So I think this is a wonderful daytime moisturizer. And again, I would say it gives a subtle glow. So some things kind of give you like that glow where you look like you just worked out. This does not give that. This just gives a subtle glow where you look hydrated and fresh, like you just came out of a spa, but not like you just, came out of a sauna. So there you have it. That is my first Kinder Beauty box. I am really liking this. Now this one I believe was worth $122. However, the first box, so the prices are, if you do a monthly, month-to-month subscription, it is $26 a month. If you do the 3-month subscription, you pay up front, you are paying $24 a box. So I believe it's $72 up front. And then if you do 6 months, you are going to pay $23 a month. So just a little bit less, but then you're also going to get another additional box. I believe it's like a mystery box. I don't know what's in it. I didn't get it. But if you do a 6-month subscription, the 2 perks are, 1, you're going to get that extra box, but then you're also going to be able to choose which box you want each month. Another thing that I do like about Kinder Box is that you can skip a month. So once you see what the 2 boxes are, if you don't like either of the products or you don't want them, you can just decide to, like, I'm going to skip that month. So that's another option. Also is that sometimes if you got one of the boxes, let's say you have a 3-month subscription, you weren't able to choose and you didn't get the box you wanted, there are times where you can purchase the other box in the marketplace if they have extras. It's not always the case, but I have heard that others have been able to go in and get the other box that they wanted, that they're available in the marketplace. So that is sometimes an option as well. So obviously I am always a big fan is if you like the box, to go ahead and go with the one that's going to give you the choice, because that's going to give you the best option as far as getting the products that you want. And then also you're going to save money and you are going to get more products because you are going to get that extra mystery box by doing the 6-month subscription. However, not everybody can afford to do that. So that is understandable, but they do have the option for the monthly box. And the best thing is that they have given me a promo code. My promo code is Shannon50, and I'm gonna post a link below as well to the promo code Shannon50, and that is going to give you 50% off your first box. So your first box is this one. This one runs, your first box is $26. However, you could get this box for basically $13. So all 5 products that I talked about that are worth $122, you could get for $13 if you sign up with my promo code Shannon50, and you save 50% off your first box. So thank your Kinder Beauty for giving me that promo code and sponsoring today's video. I am really liking these products. Now, these are all pretty much skincare. I did kind of look back on past boxes and there are a mixture of skincare and makeup. So there are a mixture and there's some other items. So it's mostly skincare and makeup, but there are some other items as well. But this one is kind of skincare focused, but they do have makeup as well. So don't think it's just a skincare box. It has a little bit of both. But with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.